Welcome to my Beauty Supply Slay series. My name is Wynne. I'm a content creator who specializes in showing you guys how to get salon quality hair at home. In each episode, I'll show you a new hairstyle that you can achieve using hair from your local beauty supply store. I believe that every girl should be able to slay their own hair in a pinch and on a budget. And with my tips, tricks, and product recommendations, you'll be ready in no time. Alright, so the hair that we're using in today's video is the Curlified Curl Code wig. It has a 5x5 hand-tied crochet top that makes it really easy to part the hair and kind of get the hair to go in different directions, and it adds a lot of volume. The texture on this wig is gorgeous. It's like a loose, natural curl pattern. Really easy to maintain. It comes with combs and an adjustable band on the inside to attach the wig to your head, as well as this little non-slip strip that really helps to keep everything in place. If you haven't seen my last video using this wig yet, definitely check it out if you're interested in more ways to style this hair. But if you want to see how I got the look from the beginning of the video, then let's go ahead and get into it. I've already washed and blow dried my hair and applied a little bit of leave-in and some oil. I used this It's a 10 Miracle leave-in. The link will be down below in the description bar if you guys are interested in checking it out. I love it, especially if I'm applying a bit of heat on my hair, and I blow dried my hair out, so that leave-in is bomb. Now I'm going in and parting out about 1 inch to 1.5 inch wide section along the entire front of my head, and this is the hair that we're going to go ahead and leave out. If you're interested in how to style this hair without heat or without having to really blend your hair, definitely check out my last video. I showed you guys how to install this wig using less than half of this leave out, but I really wanted a look that looked seamless today, super duper seamless, so I went ahead and styled it a little bit differently. To keep everything really organized, I twisted my leave out of the way, and now I'm parting my hair in half so that I can go ahead and put the back of my hair into 4 braids. So essentially I'm just adding 2 braids to each half section to create 4 braids, and that'll keep my hair nice and smooth under the wig. Now, if you have shorter hair, feel free to just go ahead and put your hair in a ponytail. You can mold it back. There's so many different ways that you can prepare your hair under your wigs, but because my hair is so thick, I need to go ahead and braid it down to get it as flat as possible. Now, because this hair is curly, your braided base does not need to be perfect, but you don't want it to be super bulky because curly hair can camouflage, girl, but it cannot do miracles. So let's just not even go there, okay? So as you can see, this is the first braid, and this is what she is giving. I'm going ahead and braiding the hair all the way down to the end, making sure to detangle it every now and then so that my hair is nice and smooth and protected under my wig. I like to wear wigs as protective styles, so it's really in the flick of the wrist. You cannot just toss stuff on your head and call it a protective style. You have to be intentional about how you style your hair if you want your styles to be beneficial. And this is the hair after I braided everything up. As you can see, the braids are not perfect, the parts are not perfect. It's just something to keep everything organized and smooth and out the way, okay? Now I'm going ahead and taking down the front of my hair where I'm going to have the leave out, and I'm going in with this really small kind of pencil-y wand curl. It actually came with a set, so I can kind of switch out the wand on it and just keep the base. I really like it. I got it from Amazon, so I'll go ahead and list it down below if you guys are interested in that as well. And I'm taking really small sections and just curling my hair, well, I guess not curling, wanding my hair super tight so that it can match the curl pattern of the wig and really create a seamless, natural look. This hair was giving me very much Friday After Next vibes, and I was totally here for it. It's a really natural, short, curly texture, which I feel like is the easiest to finesse. So many people kept asking me how long I grew my hair out, how long I've been natural, and I politely just answered the questions as if this was not a wig. That is not nobody's business but mine, okay? Now these are the curls finished. It's giving very much curly soothe, and it's time to go ahead and pop our wig on. So I'm tucking my braids up, applying that adjustable band, and placing my combs to get everything nice and laid. and secure. So having combs and the adjustable band and the non-slip strip really mean a lot to me because I feel a lot more safe. I can whip my hair back and forth, I can live my best life, and I don't have to worry about anything slipping or coming out because that is embarrassing and we ain't got time for that. Alright, so I've applied the wig and now I'm kind of going in with my fingers and pulling those curls on the edges out and just blending everything together as best as I can. You really want to go in and fluff this hair out. That is the key. I use a Denman brush and kind of brush through the roots as well, and it really just adds to the volume of the hair and it kind of breaks up the curl pattern so it doesn't look so perfect. And this is the finished look of the wig installed by itself, but I want to show you guys a few different ways to style it, including a half up, half down. So because we left a little bit more edges out this time, our half up, half down is laid, okay, super laid. I pre-did my baby hair just because I've showed you guys how I do my baby hair a million times, and it really adds a lot to this look and just makes it look a little bit more polished. Once you have the top portion of your hair parted out, you want to put it into a ponytail and then you get a really cute little half up look. The key to this is to make sure you pull the ponytail so you can get the shape that you want. And this is our second look, a half up, half down, and this is the back. It's super full. And I just love how voluminous the style looks, and it also adds a little bit of snatch to the face. Anything with a ponytail adds a little snatch and you cannot go wrong. For our last style, this is my go-to, especially with this wig or any other curly half wig that you have. I like to part out 1 to 2 inches of the wig, and I just separate that and kind of push it to the front and clip everything else back. It's gonna make sense in a little while, trust me, but this is one of my favorite styles to wear with curly wigs. It's super pretty and it makes every wig look super, super, super natural, and you don't need to know how to braid. So I'm parting my hair into a cute little side part, and I'm blending my hair and the hair that I already pre-sectioned off of the wig, and I'm flat twisting those together. Now let me tell you why this is my favorite hairstyle. 1, it's cute, super cute. I love the curls in the back with the twist in the front style. Can't go wrong. But 2, this adds a lot of security to your wig. Because you're twisting your hair and the wig together, you're pretty much like sandwiching everything together. And when I twisted my hair into this style, I was able to wear it on my head without taking my wig off for a few days. So this hair is really, really good quality, and the bigger it got, the better it got, so you really can't go wrong. Now I'm going in and doing the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm making sure to twist going backwards so my hair is covering up the line where my hair and the wig meet, and I'm making sure to twist all the way to the end. And once we're done, I'm going in and tucking those ends under the wig. You can put them in a ponytail in the back, you can bobby pin them. There's so many different ways that you can kind of finish up this style, but I just went ahead and tucked them into my wig so I didn't have to have any more combs or clips or anything tugging on my hair. Now once you have the front finished, I'm going to go in and kind of fluff up the back, and this is the third look. I guess we're going to call this the front flat twist look. It's super duper pretty. It looks really natural and it's flattering on just about everybody. You really can't go wrong with this hairstyle. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite style was, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you, babes. Bye.